Hi friends, today you are going to learn how to draw the Eiffel Tower. As you know, Eiffel Tower is in France, and France is very famous for its iconic landmarks, its cuisine, its fashion houses, its charming villages, art and culture. Let's get started. Friends, if you will see the Eiffel Tower picture or image, you can see it's a metal building, or we can say a tower made of iron and steel. So we will do what we are going to just draw over here the structure, and just we will do some shading. First of all, when we are going to draw something, we have to draw our horizon line. So in this artwork, I am not going to draw the horizon line in the center. I am going to draw a little bit down in the middle. Our building is tall, our tower is tall, so we are going to give 1/3 part to the top part and almost 1 part to the down part. Here I will draw the Eiffel Tower, and here I am going to draw a road. Next step, I am going to draw a center line vertical, because we are going to draw the building, so the both parts should be symmetrical. So in this lesson or in this artwork, we are going to learn how we will draw the symmetrical shapes or designs or buildings or towers. I am going to divide my top part into 3 parts. First of all, from here we are going to start the top part. So first of all, we are going to draw a structure of tower with the light pencil. Then here we will draw the center part. Here we will draw a little bit down part, and down there are arches or gate of the tower, so we are going to draw a little bit down. So symmetry means something that is a copy of other image. For example, whatever you are making over here, the other part should be the same. That is called the symmetry. I am going to divide my top part into 3 parts. First of all, from here we are going to start the top part. So first of all, we are going to draw a structure of tower with the light pencil. Then here we will draw the center part. Here we will draw a little bit down part, and down there are arches or gate of the tower, so we are going to draw a little bit down. So symmetry means something that is a copy of other image. For example, whatever you are making over here, the other part should be the same. That is called the symmetry. Now I am going to draw the basic outline of Eiffel Tower with my light pencil. Whatever I am making on my left part, the same thing I am going to draw on my right part. So that is symmetry. You can use scales to draw these lines. This part is a little bit smaller and this part is a little bit bigger. Here I will draw some trees. So the trees which are closer to me, they are looking big, and those who are far from me, they are looking small. Friends, I have completed my drawing. Now I am going to use this thin marker to make the outline of all the drawing. I have completed the tracing. Now I will do what? I will erase all my extra pencil work to make my painting neat and clean. Then I will use some colors. So I'm going to erase all the extra pencil work to make it more neat and tidy. I will give some shading to my drawing. So I'm not using any color for the structure of the Eiffel Tower. I will just give some shading. Don't worry if your drawing is not good, it's okay. You can learn by practicing. And with the finger you can smudge your shading. Friends, I will take blue, pink and purple color paint, and I'm going to use these three colors. First of all, I will take pink color and I'm going to apply very light shade on top of the sky like this on both sides. Now I will take purple color. Very light color of purple paint, and I'm going to use on both sides. My third color is blue color, light blue. Friends, our painting is completed. I hope you like this activity. Please like and subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. See you later.